Welcome back, guys. The pump house, it's getting done pretty quick. We've got to mill out a little bit more lumber for the door. We've got to be able to cover the door, and we've got to get the batten pieces milled out. That should seal that room in, and we can put some insulation in, put some tar paper and some metal roofing on top, a little heater in there, and that'll be good to go for the winter. Hang out for a minute, we'll get this milled up. You're in my way. You are in my way. Go. Go. So I used part of that log to finish off the boards for the door. Now I'm going to start on the batten, which I want the batten to be 2 inches wide, 3/4 inches thick. So I had a few boards left over from the last time I was milling stuff out. Milled out a couple more off the top of this, so that should finish off the door. Now we'll start on the batten, which I want the batten to be 2 inches wide and 3/4 inches thick. So we'll rip a couple 2-inch pieces off this, flip them sideways, and mill them 3/4. So that first log didn't produce enough. Went up, grabbed another log off the pile, brought it down here, and just used that for 2-inch by 3/4 inch batten. Now I have way more batten than that pump house needs, but better too much than not enough. Because sometimes when you're milling it, it has a knot, a fairly decent sized knot right in the middle of one, and it breaks when you pull it off the mill because it's so small. So now I've got plenty to choose from. Let it sit over there on the trailer for, I don't know, half a day or so. Let it dry out a little bit. It's still a little bit wet. We'll go over to the pump house. We'll put some tar paper on the top and get some metal roofing on the top. So over here at the pump house, I'm looking at the boards we put up. Put them up when they were super green, and I knew it, so I only put 1 screw in each spot instead of doing 2 screws because I knew they're going to shrink. And you can see by looking at that back wall, you can see how much they shrunk. Those boards were all butted right up next to each other. And some of them have, shoot, that looks like more than a 1/4 inch gap. Look at that gap right there. It's a pretty wide gap. So we got the metal roofing on. It's all sealed up. It's ready for winter. Right now, I'm going to go through and put another screw in each one of these boards. We only put one screw in it to start with, so it could shrink and it wouldn't split. But it's been on there a few days and it's been nice and warm out. I don't think it's going to shrink anymore. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for notifications and smash that like button. Help this video get out there. Help our channel get out there. Leave a comment in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, guys, go make something.